Let's explore an interesting question in chemistry. Can isotopes also be ions? The answer is yes. Let's understand why by breaking down what isotopes and ions are. First, let's understand what isotopes are. Isotopes are atoms of the same element that have the same number of protons, but different numbers of neutrons. Let's look at chlorine as an example. Chlorine has two common isotopes, chlorine 35 and chlorine 37. Now let's understand what ions are. An ion is formed when an atom gains or loses electrons, resulting in a net electrical charge. For example, when a chlorine atom gains an electron, it becomes a chloride ion with a negative charge. So, can isotopes be ions? Absolutely, since isotopes only differ in their number of neutrons, and ions are formed by gaining or losing electrons. These are independent properties. Both chlorine 35 and chlorine 37 can become chloride ions by gaining an electron. In conclusion, isotopes and ions represent different aspects of atomic structure. Isotopes relate to the number of neutrons in the nucleus, while ions relate to the number of electrons. An atom can be both an isotope and an ion at the same time.